Read aloud book. Bedtime stories. What's your favorite animal? We are talking about different animals.
Hello. I am Lily. I am 6 years old. My favorite animal is the rabbit. My rabbit is gray. It has 2 long, big ears. It can run very fast.
I am Tim. I am 7 years old. My favorite animal is the dog. My dog is a corgi. It has 4 short legs. It likes waving its tail. I usually play balls with it.
I am Emily. I am 6 years old. I have 4 cute hamsters. They like eating sunflower seeds. They are hyperactive and they like running on the wheel.
I am Timothy. I am 8 years old. I like squirrels a lot. The squirrels like eating seeds and nuts. They like running in my garden.
I am Ivy. I am 7 years old. I like parrots the most. BB is my favorite parrot. It is yellow. It likes singing songs.
I am Jimmy. I am 6 years old. I like sheep the most. They're fluffy. They like eating grass.
What's your favorite animal? Let's tell your friends about it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to support our creations. Give us a thumbs up and share. Thank you. See you.